Work the basket stitch between two parallel lines. Come out from the first stitch line and make a diagonal stitch by going in through the second. Come out from the first stitch line again, directly opposite, to make a diagonal stitch upwards. See that the cross made is more spaced on one side than the other. Now go in and come out ahead of all the stitches on the fabric. Now go in through the stitch point in the second stitch line and come out from the stitch point in the first, as I'm showing here. I find this stitch much easier to follow when using the sewing method. All I have to do is keep making stitches between the stitch lines, once through the existing earlier stitch points and then through the fabric to move the stitch ahead. When I use the stab method, for some reason it confuses me a bit and I take pauses to make sure I'm doing it right. What method works for you? Let me know. I hope you liked this video. Share it if you have learned something new and drop a comment. This is Sarah from Sarah's Hand Embroidery. Thank you so much for watching.